Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Kaikas Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Kaikas Wallet application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your wallet by entering your PIN code. After you're inside the main page, tap on the gear button appearing at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, tap on Clear in-app browser cache. Tap on Delete in the pop-up and tap OK so that you can clear out your browser's cache and you will be able to clear cache on your Kaikas Wallet application. So those were the steps. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.